Welcome to the Coffee Chronicles. As we dive into the vast ocean of coffee varieties, let's savor the names that make each sip a unique experience. Let's begin our journey with espresso, a shot of boldness that wakes up the senses. Espresso is the foundation of many beloved coffee drinks. Next is Americano. For those who prefer a milder taste, the Americano is a diluted espresso with added hot water. With its frothy top and balanced blend of espresso, steamed milk, and foam, the cappuccino is a true classic. Next up is latte, a creamy and comforting concoction of espresso and steamed milk. The latte is a canvas for creative coffee art. It has more steamed milk and a light layer of foam. Mocha, a delightful fusion of chocolate and coffee. It is a treat for those with a sweet tooth. Affogato is another delight consisting of ice cream topped with a shot of espresso coffee. Last up, we have macchiato. This coffee is just that. Espresso stained with a small amount of frothy milk. It's a minimalist masterpiece.